All right, everyone. Welcome to another solution video. For this, we're going to be solving question 1 on while loop worksheet 2. Create a program that makes the user continuously guess a word, which is a string, until they get the secret word right. In this scenario, we do need a variable that holds a secret value. Mind you, this is not a very secure way to do this, but this is just a really nice way to talk about potential infinite loops if we never get string correctly. So starting off with, I'm going to do our IPO all together here. I'm going to have a variable called secret, and the word is going to be secret. So the user is going to be endlessly guessing that. So what I want to do is just put or initialize a user input variable, because I want to create a condition based on that. Because as long as user input isn't secret, I'm going to make sure that it continuously loops. So we're going to go while user input doesn't equal the variable secret. Now the while loop is going to infinitely run until user input equals the value of secret variable. We're going to say user input equal to input, and we're going to prompt guess the secret word, and that's going to be our program. So let's have a little ending message here. Print you guessed correct. So basically, we don't get to line 18 if we never exit the loop created at line 15. So let's test this program. So I'm going to try to guess the secret word. Let's say it was hello. It's going to make me guess again. Let's say goodbye. Once again, it's going to get me to guess it. If I wrote it all caps, it won't be the same because strings are case sensitive. And I'm going to write secret all in lowercase, correctly guessing the secret word. And it's going to output you guessed correctly, which takes us outside of the while loop onto line 8. Thank you for watching and stay classy.